Amaroro yense ya Kenya wetani umwaka gw'echili 2030 enkwane yachagete bwigoro Jumatano Oborendi Kobwatanigwa ase sabari eyo korengana n'omurayi bwense Dr. William Samuel RUTO ase enkwane aye ngakiyo gwetia KW'EWARINDE entang'ani umwaka gw'echili 2025 ensemo ya KDF Recruits Training School omuchi ELDORET county ya Uasin Gishu murayi bwense nigaerere buna Oborendi n'amagenderero tari ase keminano korenda Oborendi nigo bogosira amagenderero erikwene kebunense ngosukere bosio buneko bwati.
These cohorts arrived here as civilians from various walks of life in this republic. They live here today as soldiers, sailors and airmen, forged in discipline, tempered by hardship, and bound together by a sacred oath.
Yesterday, Kenyans began a national conversation about the country we intend to build beyond Vision 2030. Not the next budget, not the next election, not even the next administration, but the Kenya we want to become across the decades ahead, a prosperous, self-reliant, and capable of guaranteeing every citizen a life of dignity. That conversation must include security. What must Kenya protect if the future we seek to build is to be possible? What must be built today to secure the nation we intend to become in 20, 30, or 50 years from now? Security and development are not competing priorities. They are the same foundation viewed from two different directions. Security enables development. Development strengthens security. The Constitution is clear on your mandate. Defend our sovereignty and territorial integrity. Support other authorities in emergencies and disasters. And with the approval of the National Assembly, restore peace where instability threatens the nation. Every one of these responsibilities is exercised under the Constitution and within the law.